These are the teams that we have for 2026 in the spring session. The division numbers are at the top. Team names go down towards the bottom with the number of the team. Like, well, for instance, Nine on the Rocks would be 16901. This team has the number of players to the right and the total number of players for the division at the bottom. There's 112 with 28 players, 122 with 63 players, 146 with 94 players, also 156 sister division because they're double jeopardy has 94 players. 169 has 90 players. And for the summer session, we have 13 teams, which I think is the largest I've seen in APA or Blue Water APA. .230 has 17. That's a double mania. Played in Fort Walton Beach. 228 and 238 are 8-ball, 9-ball double jeopardy on Tuesday nights, respectively. They have 46 players each. 251 is in the Funiac. I believe it's a 9-ball division. 322 is our Crestview 8-ball division. 342 is in North Walton County. 10 players. 363 and 393 are double jeopardy Wacky Wednesday divisions, 8-ball and 9-ball respectively. 413 is Elite 9-ball in Fort Walton Beach. 415 and 425 are double jeopardy for Thursday night. 9-ball and 8-ball respectively. 426 was 8-ball in North Walton County. 39 players. 500 and 501 are 8-ball and 9-ball respectively on Freaky Friday Double Jeopardy. 714 is the Scotch Doubles in Crestview. They are currently playing 8-ball. I know this because of the numbering. It'd be 715 if they were playing 9-ball, or it would be an odd number. 748 is the ladies 8-ball in Fort Walton Beach with 51 players. Masters currently has 40 players and 10 teams. This is updated dynamically. Anyway, more than anybody else cares about, I'm sure. I like Excel, so I'm explaining it a little bit. All right, have a good day.